Hey there guys, Bruce Milligan here from Cell Pro Repair Solutions. Just got this A8 here and I need to replace the volume button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so as you can see it's usually here but it's ripped. So I'm just going to pry at this a little bit. Maybe go to here, that's how we do it. So I'm taking it from here. Oops. There it goes, there's that one out. So that is the one that's ripped. And I'm actually just going to leave the other side in there as I'm taking it off of the original here. I'm going to use a little bit of heat just to loosen the adhesive. Like so. And then same thing, I'm going to work it on this side. And then I'm going to work it on this side. I'll go back to this side, I guess. There we go, here's this one. I'm going to take it back to here. I'm just going to place it in. I'm just going to push it in like that. Make sure we're getting the nice clicking. There we go, we're getting clicking from the buttons. That's what we're looking for. Push this guy down so it sticks nicely. And voila. Alright guys, thanks for watching.